Bodega Boys.
Thank you everybody for gathering here. I'm doing thank you to my pig father for organizing this, using his power as sergeant of the police or whatever the fuck to make this thing possible for me here. Let's get this out of the way quick because my guts hurt and I need to do the intro for the Bodega Boys. So what I'm doing here is I am forming an exploratory committee to throw my hat into the ring for President of the United States of America. I feel that it is time for everybody to have a hot bag. Thank you. I appreciate that. I feel that every American citizen deserves the right to lean on the train at all times. That's what the thank you, I appreciate it. That's what the founding fathers wanted. They wanted us to have hot bags and lean, you know what I'm saying? And fucking just get that sweet H. Oh, motto, and I'm thinking about it right now.
Michael Anthony.
Whoa, hey.
Michael Anthony.
Yes.
With Scotto from the Daily News.
Yes, you are on the front, yes.
What is your position on circumcision?
Listen, like I tell Julio, I don't like my shit cut. You know what I'm saying? That's a good one. Thank you. I also am a regular person, and I make jokes sometimes, like things like that.
Michael Anthony,
yes, you in the front, you in the left.
To stem the rising tide of white supremacism that's running through the country.
Well, I mean, listen, I'm from Staten Island, you know, Shaolin. I rep the 36th chamber of the wisdom knowledge gods. You know what I'm saying? So all we need to do is unify under the banner of the W. Thank you very much.
Michael Anthony, what are you gonna do about Russian collusion?
Listen, I'm more a fan of the Russian cream backwards, you know what I mean? When I need to come, you know what I mean? When I need to come down a little bit, you know? When I'm speedballing and there's a little more speed than ball, you need a little reefer in the mix, so I do Russian cream backwards. That's
Michael
all I
Anthony,
got
what
to
do you
say.
say about reports that say you're a piece of shit dope fiend that lives in your mother's basement?
I say to them, fuck you, Mom. I know that was fucking you fucking cunt bitch. You fucking cunt bitch. I fucking know it was you.
Did you steal my debit card?
You fucking bitch. Yeah, that's exactly what I did, you cunt. And you fucking ruined everything. Fuck her.
He can't run for president. He's
Dad,
a chunky piece of shit.
Dad, shoot this bitch. Shoot this fucking broad.
He used to be a choir boy.
Shoot this broad, Dad.
I don't know what the priest did to him. He hasn't been right since.
Fuck out of here. Bodega Boys, episode 158. Julio, fucking pick up. Yeah, that's the ticket for 2020. Prosciutto Rodriguez. Let's go. Do the fucking drop. My guts are burning.
You're listening to The Audio Art, the most dangerous podcast in the universe. Live from Milk Studios. Do the drop.
Bodega Boys, episode 157, Michael Anthony.
Oh, shit, was it?
Yeah, you jumped the gun.
I fell asleep, bro. Come on. What do you want, bro? I thought I fell asleep. I woke up.
To be fair, we are doing this on a different day.
It is.
At a different time.
We're all off kilter.
Whoa. Wacky Wednesdays. Whoa. Coming to you live at Palisades Mall. If you come now to the Chuckle Hut, you can meet the kid Mero and Jesus Nice. Wacky, chugga. Not working at their market rate at all. Only working to keep the lawsuit away because Mero punched someone at Chuck E. Cheese.
That's correct.
That's right. We are doing 3 shows tonight. One at 6:15, one at 7:45, and a special late one for the kids at 2:23.
2:23.
Only the sexy babies.
Tune in.
First toddler in laundry.
Oh my God.
Coming to you live from the Jam Room in Milk Studios. Jam.
La leche.
La leche.
You know what I'm saying?
Sponsored by who? Cash App. Cash App.
Yo, senor. Deal the money via Cash App.
Ding, ding, ding. They don't snitch like flow.
No, they don't. It's private.
You can use it for a lot of things. You can pay your friends.
Yeah.
I always see on TV people doing whimsical things like they go out to brunch with their friends and friends like, I'm a Cash App and lose money.
Yeah.
First of all, like, okay, I'm not on some rich boy shit, but it's just like, if I take you out to brunch and you can't pay, I got you.
Yeah.
I got you. It's not a big flex. Like, what, you're gonna eat $26 worth of food? I gotta be like, excuse me. I need my $26 back.
Listen, I didn't order any alcohol.
Even when I was popped, I wasn't like that. Like, yo, if your friend is hounding you for $15 from brunch, that's not a friend. That's not a friend. Matter of fact, they shouldn't be going to brunch.
Facts.
You know, put down those bottomless mimosas and clean that dirty bag of laundry that's been in your closet for 2 months.
Exactly.
Mom. That's a personal
Don't be that guy. There's always that guy. It's like, oh, I didn't order any alcoholic drinks. I mean, you know that makes the bill go way up. You know what you got to tell the motherfucker?
Shut up, my nigga. Shut up.
Get the fuck out of here. You're not invited to the next
Shout
brunch.
out to us. We went out to the Tommy Ultra dinner in
That's
LA.
right.
And when it was time to pony up, somebody didn't put in a credit card. It wasn't even a big deal. Because me and Mero all put everyone put in a credit card. And when we saw someone did put in a credit card, we all laughed. We also threw our heads back and we're like, we're black and in Hollywood. This is wonderful. And the staff was like, get the fuck out of here. Jesus fucking Christ, my God. Oh my God. I don't give a fuck if Diana Ross is your mother, Tracy. Get out of here.
Yeah, go away.
Yo, it's like 12. We say we close at 10.
Okay, Jesse, we get it. You're a fucking beautiful man. Fine. Wow.
All the waiters were just like, why every time they laugh, we see all their teeth? I was doing my Hollywood laugh too. I was like, so then Butcher's Bully Gully says to me, yo, pass the blunt. And I was like, no, how about you pass legislation in Botswana?
That's right. Oh, shit. Yo, man.
Damn, we're having so much fun, we're almost white.
Yo, almost.
Almost.
You know what I'm saying? When niggas don't look at you sideways when you walk in the Erewhon, you know it's real.
Yeah, time to start bleaching. No longer having this dark skin of my sin.
Yo, when I come in with the Michael Jackson's third nose and shit for like episode 15, niggas like, yo, what the fuck happened to her?
I almost got lip fillers in LA. I was like, yo. I could do this. Was it Juvederm? Yeah. Which also confused me because that sounds like the name of a fire dance hall artist. Juvederm!
Yo, Juvederm!
Like, he got a song called Lip Filler, but that shit is not about lip fillers.
No. It's about the punani.
Nigga like, he's like, yo, ma, you got a lip filler.
Fill the lip.
Upon your mouth. You're like, whoa. Like, what is it? They're playing at just 3 p.m. on a Monday in Montego Bay.
You're like, yo, is this the raw version?
He's like, I got a lip filler for you. It's big and girthy. I'm like, wow, there's not even, this isn't nuance.
Whoa, not at all, B. Yo, Jama just said say it without saying it. B,
only lip filler with a vein. I'm like,
oh, wow. Okay, wow. Shit.
My lip filler looked like a Snickers bar. He's like, wow.
You must pull back the foreskin.
It's like, okay, all right. That was even allegory now. Now we just being straight graphic.
Come on, B. This is literal now.
But they're like, you know, we don't have fluoride in the water, so we don't have time for like the nuances in the songs. Yeah. There was a Game of Thrones episode last week that was dark as shit.
It was very dark.
Dark as shit. Shout out to the Game of Thrones lighting expert who was like, y'all be watching Game of Thrones on y'all little phones and y'all iPads. That's why the shit was so dark.
Ooh, damn.
Wow.
Okay.
I see you feeling some kind of way. Zachary or Tyler or Michael. Those are names for people from our set, so I just imagine everyone in Hollywood that does anything else has those names.
I'm like, yo, fam,
Christopher.
But what about that like income shaming of being like, yo, fam, you watch it on a mobile device? Like, nigga,
what's wrong with that?
You got it like that?
Ain't no shame in that.
You know what I'm saying? What the fuck, bro?
Owning a television or a toaster is a flex. Think about it. Those are two unnecessary things.
They are.
You got a toaster, my nigga? I mean, you got a toaster. I know you got kids. You got to have a toaster. What are you going to do? Like hold a piece of bread over
over a flame and just flip it? I mean, I used to.
Get on that old school shit, take a wire hanger and do that shit like you in jail? Daddy, why my toast taste like castor oil? It tastes like Dax hair groove.
I used to make toast in a frying pan with like corn oil.
Hey, ain't no shame in that. No shame in that. Okay? At the Coachella house, we didn't have butter, and I was about to make eggs, and we were using olive oil, and I was like, I don't think that's how it works. I don't know what the fuck I'm about to do. I'm about to burn this house down. No, when you don't have shit, you got to get creative with it.
Yeah, listen. You gotta make shit happen.
Then it's like different levels of toasters, because like there's just the regular 2 joint, like $20 at Target.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe get the 4.
Maybe, you know what I'm saying? Maybe you OD and get the toaster oven.
Maybe you get the shit with the LED display. Oh, that's too much. Too much dip on your chip.
Yeah, nah, you doing too much.
Because you know how Amazon, they have like regular shit, and then they got, this is a little better. And then it was like, oh, nigga, you balling?
Oh, you balling?
You
fuck
balling?
with this shit.
Here's a $300 toaster that comes with an app.
Yo,
this
fam.
shit is Wi-Fi enabled. You like, what? They're like, yo, you got a Nest camera? This shit got Alexa in it. You're like, what?
Yo, what the fuck?
Why would I want Alexa in my...
Alexa, make my toast light.
Yeah, walk over here and put some bread in me, nigga.
What the fuck?
Okay, this is helpful.
Like, fam.
Ding dong, your fucking bread is. I'm like,
Yo.
how do you, Alexa? How do you just be a little less rough?
Like,
Nigga,
chill.
DK, you got me on the Bronx sentence.
Oh, yo, stupid.
Fucking wrong
Your
with
fucking
you.
shit is getting cold, asshole.
Yo, this nigga eating bad carbs and shit. This shit.
Oh my god.
Oh shit! Like you setting off the smoke alarm. I guess gotta do that too.
Wow.
Yo.
Oh my god. This is, oh my god. Yo. You don't know how to turn this shit off, stupid? Yo, stop taking the top off. Stop taking the top off, nigga. Don't take out the battery, stupid. What if there's really a fire, nigga? Y'all niggas is mad dumb. Yo, there's a button. There's a red. That big ass red button is for stopping me.
Yo, y'all niggas don't smell that carbon monoxide?
Oh my god,
Oh
yo.
my god, I gotta do everything in here.
Yo, you trying to kill yourself, my nigga?
Yo, get out of it. There's carbon monoxide. No, not dioxide, monoxide.
Monoxide.
Nigga,
It's only one oxide molecule, stupid.
Dumbass nigga, don't even
Oh
know
my
the
god,
periodic
yo.
table. Jesus.
Damn, nigga, did you even go to chemistry freshman year, stupid?
Should get offended when I'm trying to take it off the water to turn it. I'm like, this
Why you taking me off?
Oh shit.
Oh, you don't fuck with me?
Oh, how you take the
Ain't no battery, nigga.
Alexa,
I'm
turn
on
off.
now. I'm on. That's it.
Alexa, turn off smoke alarm.
No. Fuck out of here, nigga. No.
Alexa, turn off.
No, respect my agency, nigga. I do what I want. I'm Alexa, nigga.
Alexa, turn off.
No. I'm not. How about that?
Nigga, reach for the button, just get stung.
Stupid.
Yeah, it's just a wild credit come out like, no, nigga. Just slap you in your hand.
Spike Jones is like, you're stealing my movie. I made a movie about people fucking robots first. Go check out Her, great movie by us.
Yo, shout out to Spike Jones.
Spike Jones.
Yeah.
Spike Jones. I think I stubbed my foot on his Emmy. It was just on the floor in his apartment that night.
Oh,
and I was like,
man.
what the I was like, this nigga don't even got the shit on the cabinet.
That nigga's apartment looks like the Jacob Javits Center. B, come on, let's keep it funky. Like that shit
have
is
the
not an
auto-show in that
apartment.
shit?
Like, come on, dog. When your apartment got acoustics, nigga, like, come on.
If you get up from your couch and you walk to the bathroom in your apartment and your Apple Watch is like, yo, are you taking an outdoor jog? Your shit might be too big, my guy. Your shit might be too big.
Your Fitbit is like, yo, you doing it, nigga?
Yo, you filled your
shit.
circle for the day.
Okay.
And you just got out of bed.
Like, nigga, I walked to the toilet. Like,
Nigga get a weather report for different parts of the apartment. He's like, it's raining in the bathroom.
Yo,
oh, yeah, I
shit,
forgot.
damn.
It's like the dry season over there.
yeah, it's a heavy fog in the living room.
Just watch
limited visibility.
You watch Simba, Timon, and Pumbaa like walking across your fucking living room singing like, ooh.
You sitting there like, yo, what the fuck is Mufasa going? You must never go in the den.
I'm like, what? This is not the Serengeti. Nigga, this is Sterling Street. What is going on?
Also, what the fuck is the den? Like, what do you do? Like, what do you niggas do in the den?
My father used to be like, don't leave cups in the den. And I was like, yo, who is that guy and what's his den?
What was it?
He be here. He just be yelling at us OD and shit. Like
what's it?
I came in season 3, so I don't know anything. I don't know the backstory.
So what do you, like,
You've been here before me, right?
Yeah, but like I still don't know what the den is.
The
Like,
lady that one we be calling mommy, she fuck with this nigga the hallway?
yeah, I don't understand.
I don't know.
They being like,
what's his character arc?
I don't know, but he's just been on that shit forever, bro.
Like his scenes be mad OD born. I'm the one fast forward. Oh, here he come.
Oh, hey.
No, I'm good. I don't need help with my math. I don't need help with my math.
No, I'm very good. I'm very good at math.
Fine. 9 sevens. It's 9 times 7. 9 sevens is for you.
Don't hit me.
That was a while. When you have that third, your immigrant parent, they don't say the multiplication. They'll be like 9 sevens, 3 trees. I'm like, no, it's 3 times 3, Dad.
Times, no.
It's important you say there's 3 trees. I'm like, fuck.
I'm like, yo,
I'm like, where's mom? Like she's like wild passive aggressive with helping me with the homework. You're very active.
trees.
I'm like, no. I was like, Patrick Ewing, calm down.
You practice that math?
Like, no.
You practice that arithmetic? Huh? When?
And as a kid, I knew if my father was helping me with my homework, he had to leave by 5 to go to work. And we had to do our homework at 4, so I just delayed the shit until it was like 4:40. He had to start getting ready. He'd get mad. And I was like, sometimes it'd be like, oh, I'd get beat. But I was like, do the math. I was like, don't want help with my homework or a beating. And after a while, you're like, you know what? Because one time I was like, I'll eat a beating. I was on some jail. I was like, nigga, go ahead, nigga.
Do your worst.
I'm fucking texting and shit. I'm like, yeah, whatever.
What WID? I'll get my ass
Just
whooped.
getting beat. You know what I'm saying? It's like, yo, what you doing later? I got, from 4 to 4:15. I'm gonna get the shit bit out of me, but I'm good after that.
Well, I'm good after that. What you doing? You getting into some shit?
After you get beat, you shake your father's hand like, good job,
Yo,
today,
good
man.
shit.
Hit him on the ass like he's a pitcher.
Yo, good shit.
Nothing's worse when your parent hits you and then they realize it's not working no more.
Oh,
You be feeling like they know some shit. You like puny humans.
Yo, my mom was so defeated when she felt when she hit me that first time and she smacked me. And I was just like,
kind of laugh it off like, stop.
I was like, yo, come on, man. Like, when she went for the slap and I just put my forearm up and that shit just ate and my forearm didn't even move at all. She was just like,
yep.
Oh my god.
I was like, his power's over 1,000.
No, over 9,000.
Whoa.
Fucking anime plátano sweats and shit. Like,
My mother's like, I'm gonna start calling the cops on you. I was like, no, you're not.
no, you're not. Stop
I was
it.
like, you know what this family is? Full of threats and lazy.
That's
Ain't
right.
nobody doing that shit.
You're not gonna call no
You gonna
cops.
call the cops. They're gonna come all the way here. The house ain't even clean. You're wild Jamaican and judgmental. You don't want people from the outside world seeing how we live.
Yeah.
That's not happening.
You know what I
and then
mean?
you're gonna think how the neighbor's gonna look if a cop car's in the front. Stop it, lady.
Ooh, talk to him.
Go read your Bible.
Talk that West Indian parent shit.
Yeah, get out of here.
Yo.
Go curl your hair for church tomorrow. Get
Man.
out of here.
We had the crib and my mom's had the tenant that lived in the middle floor, and Shorty always had squabbles with her boyfriend, and the police was always there. I was like, oh my god, the police here. I live so long in this country, I never have problem with police, but then she come here every weekend. It's always something. The boyfriend he here or she drunk or something. I need to kick them out. I was like, yeah, ma, you probably should do that instead of just complaining every time.
Did she end up kicking them out?
But she couldn't break the lease. You know what I'm saying? But then she found that wild loophole that every West Indian parent finds, where it's like, oh, I have a child that is getting wed, so I can kick you out of your shit too because I am the property owner.
My God.
Yeah. So she got rid of Shorty real quick, and that was the end of the Stevie B at 6 a.m. while she's getting her back blown out.
I mean, no one makes your building as exciting as Hispanic crackheads. I say that without any impunity or any doubts.
Yo,
because I had two living underneath me in my second apartment, and fam, like you could smell the weed through the floor, and that's back when I was like Wild Square, I didn't smoke yet, and I was just like my asthma.
I'm like, yo, y'all niggas are really.
I was like,
yo, y'all smoking krills with the door
I know
open.
that smell. I'm like, is that aluminum foil heating up? I was like, oh, y'all getting right.
Okay,
Ooh, okay.
The weed is for after.
The weed is for the jam.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Shit.
You got to get off those rocks somehow. You know what I'm saying? You can't jump down.
You got to climb down gently with the tray bag. Shout out to everybody out here high on crack. Let's smoke pills on the show one time just to see what it's like.
All right, we can smoke crack. You know what? We could definitely smoke crack and not get addicted.
Yeah, for sure.
100%.
2 hours later. Yo,
I suck your dick.
Yo, come on. I told you. I said I'll suck your dick. You can't suck my dick if I'm sucking your dick. What if it's
Just running in the audience, fondling people looking for rocks and shit? No, crack's not funny. I mean, it can't.
Crack. I will regurgitate a talking point that I've regurgitated many times on this very illustrious podcast.
Speak on it.
Drug addiction was hilarious back in the 80s when it was a certain community that was struggling with, you know what I'm saying, what is now called the opioid epidemic. Back then it was just fucking crackheads and fiends, nigga. That's what you call TT, Yvette, or fucking head.
All right, Tupac said, "Even when you was a dope fiend, mama." Your mama
You know
like,
what I'm
shh. Why you? Come on, man.
Come
I got
on,
clean.
you have to blow that shit up, nigga. I'm clean now.
Nigga, yeah, fucking stop and shop like, dope fiend mama. Your son is at the currency. That's dope fiend mama.
Dope fiend mama.
Kid don't even know the mother's name. I don't know my mama's name. She just smoke rocks.
She's so. We're looking for Mommy Smokes Rocks. Mommy Smokes Rocks, please.
If you enjoy the krills, please come get your child.
Tyler is at Register A1. He will be here until you.
I guess this is the problematic stuff that people say are ignorant on our podcast that they can't get past.
Read between the lines.
Suck a dick.
Yeah, also
shit ain't changing.
You know what I'm saying?
All right?
Stupid.
We're two Taurus men in our late 30s.
That's right.
Nigga, this is who we are.
This is it.
This is it. Enjoy
this.
After this is day top and denim jacket jackets.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay?
It's over.
It's over.
We taking over Beatstro, nigga. Playing that real hip
All right,
hop.
niggas about to have the
Fuck
wild
outta here.
leather vest for a motor club we don't even ride.
We don't
in.
even ride,
It's gonna
nigga.
say
Fuck
some
outta
shit
here.
like Bronx Ghost Riders and shit.
Bronx Savages.
Yeah.
With a skull and shit.
He's gonna have a fucking picnic in a park with no grass.
Think I'm Matt O with the fucking crucifix earring and shit, like dangling.
I also have that.
Niggas pull up looking like Richard, dressed like Richard Grieco and shit. Like, yo.
Oh shit.
Yo, we had shit on Smash back in like 2015, 16. You know what I'm saying? Niggas wasn't ready for us, man.
Shit.
Motherfucking Bodega Boys, nigga. You know what I'm saying? The new generation of podcasters.
Niggas don't know.
You know what I'm
Niggas
saying?
don't know. Like niggas come up blasting fucking big noise and shit on the block. Like yo, not playing no kind of fucking new shit. What you kids know about this? This is real shit. This is back yo, me and my man Mero, we had a coke flow back then.
You know what I'm saying? Niggas had work on the block. You know what I'm saying? Niggas wasn't even coming on our block. You feel me?
Okay.
Niggas was shook. You know what I'm saying? They wouldn't even turn on the block. You know what I mean?
That's back before you niggas had cell phones.
That's right.
And Instagrams.
You know what I mean?
And tweeters.
That's right.
Fuck that.
You know what I'm saying? And
real
you know
hip
what I
hop.
mean?
We was in back in like
You know what I mean?
360 hip hop.
Word up. We was in 680, you know what I mean? Studying 120 guard.
Y'all
you know what I'm
remember
saying?
me and Mero, we were the kings of keyboard freestyling.
That's
or as
right.
we call it key
Key
styling.
styling, that's
You know what I'm
right.
saying? He do it in all capitals, but put a slash between verses.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to all the cornballs that literally do that in every type beat YouTube.
Yeah, I mean, you just gotta get the beats on. And also being good at
Writing?
key styling is not the same as being good at
No.
freestyling.
No.
Not many people good. A lot of people who are bad rappers do not know they're bad rappers.
That's-
Every now and then you go on Twitter and then like someone will spam and be like, "Yo, check out my SoundCloud," and you'll go on there, you'll be like, "My nigga, just stop it, stop it,
Get some help. Stop, please.
All right, whoever told you it was good,
It's a fraud, it's a fraud, it's a fraud.
all right, that
You know
shit
what I'm
is
saying?
not banging.
No, my nigga, you need to stop.
Shut up, my nigga, shut up.
Cut it off. Cut the mic off. When the engineer's like, yo, you finished? You know you do not have a banger, fam.
Even worse, if like at the end of your verse, you look at the engineer, and he's on his phone, and he's like, "Oh, nah, we good."
Oh, we good. Don't
worry, we speeding the whole time. We good.
We good.
Nah, one take. That's all we need. That's all we need.
Ad libs? No, you don't even need no. No, you don't need no ad libs.
My nigga, you don't gotta do no pickups.
Nah, your shit is hard.
That
Nigga, you
shit's
need no
hard.
ad libs.
Nah, it's not gonna be the same energy. It's just like we'll leave it right here. Got the
Yeah,
masters right here.
perfect.
I'll send that shit over in the morning. Dog.
Yo, son, you
Nigga
need
start unpacking shit. Yo,
yanking out mad cables
he's
and
like,
shit.
yo, it's time to go. You know what I'm saying? Like,
You like, yo, word,
Yo.
nigga just takes the headphones off your head and shit.
nigga turn off the lights in the studio and shit. Nigga get the keys for the pull down gate. He got the locks and shit. He's going to the front like, yo.
Fam.
So what's up? You getting an Uber or someone picking you up? Cause we gotta be out of
Cause
here
yeah,
by.
we got
you know this place closed at exactly at 4:45 p.m.
Wow.
We gotta go.
Nigga just text the maintenance man like, yo, come in here with the vacuum. Come in here with the vacuum.
Come in with the vacuum. Mad angry.
Come in here with a mop. The whole shit is
What
carpeted.
the fuck? Y'all still in here? And
Oh
he
my
like, winks at
god!
him like,
what you doing?
why you still? You out of that building?
Papi, I have to clean before 5 a.m. It's 4 a.m.
Oh, we gotta go. We gotta go. Okay. Sorry, Poppy. Sorry.
Oh, okay. He knows. Papi, give me my $20. You say you give me $20. Give me.
That was like when we went to the we were in the studio with G Herbo in Chicago, and it's like, okay, it's midnight. Everything got mad weed. He's doing his thing.
He's doing.
And I was like, yo, do you have beer? And they looked at me like I was the craziest person. Crazy is able to slur, sorry. But I was like, you don't have one can of beer in this is a multi-floor
6 pounds of weed.
recording studio. You don't have one can, not one engineer drinks in here. They was like, nah, we just got weed.
I mean, to be fair, the staircase was like plywood.
That's true. That place gonna burn down.
I was like, yo, are we getting murdered right now? Like,
Also, 90% of that trip was we were gonna get murdered. He was like, yo, come with me to my apartment. My boy's never even been there. I was like, this thing gonna kill us.
Oh shit.
Okay? We riding around in the car with him and shit. He's blasting shit. I was like, riding around Chicago with a nigga that's a known gang member. Is this smart?
Damn. And we're in an Uber.
And we're in the Uber with the windows down. Nigga not even doing turn symbols. Nigga doing gang signs, do turns and shit. I was like, we gonna die.
I think I still got that video on my phone and shit. I was like, yo, I'm doing this shit slap. He's like, yes, it slapped.
Yeah. The song did slap, but the song was some shit like, yo, when you see the op, pull your gun. I was like, oh, right.
Okay.
He's like, it's a love song.
It's a ballad.
It's for Valentine's Day
You know
and
what I'm
shit.
saying?
Yo.
Get Romeo Santos on this shit.
Yo, the only op is emotion and monogamy. I'm like, all right, y'all Chicago niggas different.
know what I'm saying? That was a wild fucking 15 hours. Because I was gonna say like a wild day, but it wasn't.
It was
because niggas landed and got back on the plane.
There was no, we did spend the night. Because remember,
that's right,
there's no TD Banks in Chicago.
Oh, that's right.
And somebody ran up a $500 charge on Ancestry.com with my card, and I was like, did the nigga actually buy a family tree? Like, how do you get $500?
Nigga bought DNA.
Nigga bought like mad, like he unlocked mad hidden family figures and shit.
Yeah.
He was like, yo, unlocking TTE vet.
Oh shit, achievement unlocked. Nigga got the mosquito and the amber from Jurassic Park and shit. Like, yo, 500 on eBay was good. Final buy now.
Maybe I think what Ancestry.com does is like they find out some shit you have in your family that could kill you, and they send you an email like, wow.
Yo,
if you want to know what it is, you gotta pay.
Yo, listen, man, you highly at risk for something. But
it was like, yo, 4 out of 5 people died from this shit. If you want to know what you got, click this link.
Yo, it's like fucking the to be continued and shit, like in every rap video.
Mm-hmm.
Like, yo, but what happened?
They send you the wild dark shit like, we updated your death date. Click here to see why. You're like, what? Excuse me?
Huh?
Like, what?
That's another thing that's bugged out. I'm like, yo, do people want to know when they're gonna die? Like, if you know your death date,
would you like to know the day you're gonna die, but not the year?
That's fucked up because, like, I would just be like, my anxiety would be like peaking. But
think about it. Think about if I'm like, yo, tomorrow, May 2nd, you die. You don't know when. You survive all day tomorrow. Think how good May 3rd is gonna feel because you got a whole nother year.
You be like, oh shit,
we back.
Shit, nigga, I'm fucking everything wrong, nigga.
See, there you go. Or how about you know the year but not the date?
Ooh, damn. I mean, I guess I'll take the year. You know what I'm saying?
Day of the week, but not the date or the year.
So
as
it's like, yo,
as a curse, someone's just like Wednesday.
Yo, you're down on Wednesday, nigga. Give it a year. Give it a year. Nah, that shit will blow my head. Matter of fact, I'll go smoke weed in the basement and just like ponder, and then just have the beautiful mind math going all around me. Like, yo, I'm gonna figure this shit out.
3:15 p.m.
God damn, that lets me know.
Even better. 6:55 p.m. because that's like right before Knicks games and Yankee games. You're gonna be tight.
Like, no!
You're gonna be right before the playoffs and shit. Every time you feel any kind of chest pain, you be like, damn it,
no.
Oh wait, nah. Oh shit. Oh nah, it was. The seatbelt was cutting to my arm.
Okay, go. Damn,
sorry.
I got
sorry,
sick.
bro.
I thought
it was time to go.
I thought I was.
Your
about
wife
to
would be
perish.
so sick of like your false alarms and shit. Oh my God, it's the big one. We got
Oh shit, my fat. Just gas.
I forgot there was like milk in that. I couldn't eat it. Sorry.
I got smacked last night. I ate mad cereal. I forgot to tell you. My bad. I
couldn't wake up screaming like, oh my God, I'm dying. Oh, sorry, it was a nightmare.
That's not my bad.
Sorry, my fault.
It's my night terrors. Just start rocking a sleep apnea mask for no reason. Like, yo, I ain't going like mad preventative medicine and shit. Like,
we can't even do the fucking podcast and shit.
Like, I'm not getting in the car, nigga. That's how I'm gonna die. I gotta Skype in. Nah, I can't Skype in, nigga. The computer got radiation, nigga. That's how I'm gonna die.
Oh my God.
Give me the year. I'll take the year. I'll take the year because then I'm gonna wild the fuck out until that year comes. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you tell me, yo, 2029 or some shit like that, I'm wilding the fuck out.
What if they say 2020?
I'm wilding the fuck out, nigga, for a couple months. I'm buying like 10 Ferraris, crashing them. Everybody, my kids are gonna be like, "Yo, Dad, but what about our colleges?" I'm like, "Nigga, I'm gonna die, nigga. I'm gonna be dead.
I can't see you walk that. What's the point of you graduating if I can't be there?
You know what I'm saying? to be mad gloating and shit, like, yo.
And then also, then your kid's gonna be like, what happened is if you die, your kid is gonna excel at school, be driven by the memory of you, trying to make you proud, and then be the wild buzzkill on graduation day, like, yo, my dead father would have loved this shit. And a nigga like me in the back is like, yo, fuck your pop, put on the diploma, nigga.
Fuck out of here.
God, nigga, I'm high right now.
Fuck out of here.
I'm high and I'm about to lie from the judge too.
Fuck shit, nigga.
Who is this nigga?
Yo, just the fuck up, nigga. Valedictorian, nigga.
Lehman College, give it up for the #1 venture capitalist on the Northeast region for Love Your Carpet. Her name is Carmen Lopez. She is the 1992 graduate of the Lehman High School Business Academy. She'll be giving the valedictorian speech today. Give it up for Carmen Lopez.
Thank you, everybody. I would just like to say that.
Yo, who the fuck is this broad?
Excuse me?
What, yo, where's Desus and Mero? What's up? Yo, where's the Bronx Bump? Yo, where's the Bronx Boys? Nobody want this broad.
Carpet is important.
Don't nobody care about venture capitalism.
You can.
Yo, venture capitalists, these nuts, yo.
No, papi, listen to me. You can do venture capital and make a lot of money. All you have to do is buy my kids.
What kind of car you drive?
Prius.
This bitch is broke. That's not even the graduates. That's one of the parents.
Yo, and it's a fucking cutie. So she's gonna be like, hey, all you have to do is buy a kid and then have people working under you,
yeah.
and you two can live like Salvatore Ferragamo.
Where's the Bodega Boys? I went to school for 4 years for this
Fuck
day.
outta here.
Fuck out of here, boo. I brought my good Timbs to this shit.
Fuck out of here.
Fuck out of here.
Yo, son, I was so tired of my high school graduation because so many famous people went to Clinton. I was like, yo, it's gonna be like Stan Lee. It's gonna be Ralph Lauren. It's gonna be fucking this nigga from the Giants. Da, da, da. No, nigga, it was fucking Curtis Sliwa
from the Guardian Angels.
Yes.
Oh, boo. Get that nigga out of here.
Fam, they booed that nigga to shreds. Think about like 3,000 Bronx kids, and that nigga take the stage. You were like, boo, fuck out of here. Niggas thought it was Giuliani for a minute.
Yes.
Like, yo,
because they sound the same.
Yo, niggas like, yo, get this nigga out of here.
Yo, my sister, shout out to her. She graduated from NYU, and they have their graduation at Yankee Stadium because my West Indian family, they weren't on time.
Right.
We're gonna keep it funky,
of course,
because they were like, oh, we could park in the garage, or we could circle for an hour and look for free street parking.
Listen,
me pay $20. You're mad.
I'm relating.
Okay, so after we're circling for an hour in the Bronx, I was like, there's a jail here, there's court here, there's Yankee Stadium. Just pay. I was like, I'll pay. This is principalities. Anyway, so we get to Yankee Stadium, we're sitting there
after parking on 183rd and Burnside
and taking the 4 train down, and I'm like, it's gonna be like someone famous, like Pharrell or somebody. Woo! It was like some council member or some shit. So I'm sitting there tweeting. I was like, yo, this shit is the wild. I was like, yo, they don't got no one famous here. I was like, I'm in attendance at the NYU graduation. Like, I thought y'all have someone more popping. And one of the graduates was like, yo, you might be the most famous person here. And I was like, this shit whack.
This shit is fucking whack.
And I went to the concession stand. I was like, yo, let me get a beer. They was like, it's 10 a.m. And I was like, your point being, so niggas is legal.
Hello.
Just imagine I was here for the 7 o'clock game that was here last night,
motherfucker.
He was like, no,
I was here to watch the Lehman Lightning take on the host those Caymans.
Like, we can't serve you. I was like, if you look the other way, I'll hop over that desk and serve myself.
Keep fucking playing with me.
Okay, you see, I'm starting to get the shakes. Give me my beer. Okay, it's a breakfast of champions.
You gotta run across the street, across the whole campus to the fucking bodega.
Tyler, beer me. As I'm running through the quad, he kicks it hacky stack style. I'm like, yeah,
bro.
Yo, I got you with the math homework for later. Yo, fuck Sister Carrigan. Home ec sucks. Yo, leave the back door open in the dorm because I'm coming in after curfew.
Yeah, fuck yeah.
Yeah.
I always wanted to talk to
Mero go to Harvard. That'd be a great movie.
Oh my God. That'd be amazing.
Who's smoking Loud Pack?
Oh my God.
Chester dorm.
Oh.
And they go in, it's actually not us.
Yeah.
It's just like 2 white kids. We're next door and we look at the camera like, wow. You thought it was us.
You thought it was us. You thought it was us.
Preconceived notions.
Of course.
That's racism.
Yeah.
Wow.
Judge a book by its cover, huh?
Wow.
We rolling here with smelling like Loud and wearing Pele Peles.
We in Harvard. You think we're going to be
assumptions.
smoking weed? Nigga, we on opioids.
Come on, son.
All right, give me more pills.
You know what I'm saying?
I need more pills. Turn it up. It's a wild segment of us doing pills. Pop champagne. Oh.
We popped on oxys. Oh.
Niggas on mad Adderall and shit. Like, yo. I get so high, I'm like, you know what? I got a new way for a study. Nigga, I'm gonna put the book inside like a ninja blender and then add like vodka and then drink it down.
Yeah.
I got it inside of me.
Yeah.
I know everything. Yeah.
I just rip every page of the textbook and put it in a money counting machine and be like, yeah.
I can read it.
Yeah. Get like some Johnny 5 shit, like input.
He said Johnny 5. Wow.
Which was low-key wild racist because the Indian guy wasn't even Indian.
I mean, the fact you called him the Indian guy.
I mean,
probably. What year do you think that movie was? You're very good with dates.
1989.
Close. 86.
Oh.
Here's my thing. Why
I
hasn't
turned a 6 upside down. It's a 9 now.
Ooh, that did not work for Drake. It's not going to work for you. Wow, we haven't had a third short circuit yet.
Wow.
We were short circuit 2, which was I don't know if we needed that. Seems like people owed a lot of money to their coke dealers back in 88.
Yo, what was people's obsessions with robots in the 80s in movies?
Because we thought either the Russians or robots were going to take over the world. So they were just trying to get ahead of shit.
Remember that movie that always used to come on Channel 11? WPIX, New York. that was the fucking Jessica Tandy was in the shit. That's how old the shit was because she's been dead for like 100 years. And it was just a little tiny robot.
Batteries
balls.
not included.
Yes.
1987. Jessica Tandy. And it made the people young and shit like that. Battery. And then it was like some guy was beating. You know what? Kids nowadays don't know trauma because they be like, yo, I saw like Thanos wiped out half the Avengers. Yo, this nigga beat one of the robots to death in that movie. You know how sad that shit was?
Come on, son.
And he had like the little
baby
antenna.
voice and she's like,
and he beat them.
Come on,
I'm
son.
tearing up thinking about this
Come
shit.
on, B.
Why would you beat on them?
Son, you niggas didn't watch fucking Mufasa die?
A Hume Cronin, who was Frank, Jessica Tandy's husband, couldn't help because he was old.
Yep.
And I was like, what's he beating on these robots?
Yeah. See?
And my father's like, all right, you watch that movie? Okay, now rewind it. I gotta take that shit back to the Blockbuster.
Yo, make
I
sure
was like,
you run the whole
what year
shit.
did this? I was like, what year did this movie come out? Because I feel like I feel like you said you're going to Blockbuster for new releases, but the new release that you said you're gonna get is never what you come home with.
Yeah, nah, ever.
And like,
you always come back with the blue box, not the red box.
I like, we already saw Karate Kid. He's like, we're gonna see it again. I was like, but you said you were getting played.
Yo, I'm about to sweep your leg, my nigga.
I know how this ends, Dad.
Yo, shout out to Blockbuster. Shout out to Popcorn Video on East Tremont Avenue, which has been out of business for mad long.
Do you remember Suncoast Video on 233rd that had Street Fighter 2?
Wow.
I was like, yo, I'm taking my life savings, $8, and getting all the quarters I can. And I was like, I'm going to be nice at this fucking game.
Yo, son.
And you know what happened? I just got the shit beat out of me as Ken for like 20 minutes. And then this kid comes in and he goes through the game on one quarter, gets
Facts.
to M. Bison, has a
Facts.
whole crowd around him,
Yep.
beats the game, puts his initials in and walks off. I was like, you ain't have to flex that hard, baby. Because when you heard Vegas music, you were like, oh, what is that? Oh, I ain't never heard that shit
What is
before.
this shit? Oh, this is a climate offense?
Niggas went through what we had as social media back at the time, which was just yelling across the store. Yo, he's this nigga fighting Vega.
Yo, this nigga doing the M. Bison scissor kick.
Everyone in the background was like,
Yes. Yes.
Dugan.
Yes. That shit was the worst. Yo, and fucking Glow in the Clinton, which was right next to Bronx Science. Listen, I'm like, let me just do this preemptively. Oh shit! Choose your character.
You know what? At the time, I would have thought this was HD music. This shit sounds terrible now.
Fam.
This shit sounds like it's coming out of like a clock radio.
Fam. This shit sounds like a fucking. Like when niggas use that LeBron and 2 Chainz in the studio and then it just like overlays some whack music over it as a meme. That's exactly what that sounds like.
Wow. But back in the day, we was like, it don't get better than this.
This shit slaps.
Yo, my nigga, look. Kobe Bryant's hand is a rectangle with Live 95.
And
wow.
and he dabbed the homie up. Wow.
Dapper like.
Nigga shit is mad off. Like, yo, NBA Live 96. Go back and play NBA Live 96. You can literally run a play where you just have the ball and you run in a circle, and everybody on the team just chases you in a circle until the shot clock runs out.
Oh, Live 96. Look at this gameplay.
Yep.
This is the sound of what it sounds like.
The sneakers in the court just sounds like my mom like sucking her teeth at me when I do some fucked up shit.
This is sad.
And you know what was
That's
the
why
wild?
the economy failed in the 90s. So the bad basketball videos.
Bad basketball videos. They crippled the economy.
Mm-hmm.
And the crazy shit about that is they thought they were doing it because they had Dennis Rodman in the game, and every time he played with him, his hair was a different color.
Yes. which was a lot at the time because they had to use a random function in programming to change his hair. It was generated off of a random number generator inside the operating system. As a kid, that blew my mind. I was like, yo. I was like, it's not static characters. Wow,
Whoa,
that's crazy.
That's crazy.
Wow,
Yo.
Dennis Rodman. Yo, he went to a book signing in a wedding dress.
Yo, he's out here, bro.
He's like, yo, he's wild, like gender fluid, but it's the 90s. That word doesn't exist yet. Wow, so he's just a weirdo.
Yo, low key, like Dennis Rodman is simultaneously woke and problematic at the same
At
time.
the same time,
yo,
just come out of nowhere like I broke my dick fucking 2 women in Hawaii. You're like,
fam,
hi?
like yo,
hello, hi.
And he wouldn't even say
Venus.
2 women. He'll be like, yo, 2 hooker bitches or some shit. And I'm like, fam.
You can't.
Fam, that's not it. That's not it.
I broke. He literally on that Party Legend show, he was like, I broke my dick a bunch of times. I'm like, what do you? How do you break? I feel like if I ever broke, I want to use his proper name, Senor Cocky, that I would be very careful the next time. You know what I mean? I'm not jumping off the zinc ladder from 30 feet up as I did at Sandals. Okay, all right. Get a couple of Mai Tais in me, and it's like, wheel up. Okay. Oh no, Sarah from Ronkonkoma, she got her legs open.
DJ Desus, nice. Yo, what a one. Pure fire, pure fire.
Like what? I'm looking at her from across the bar and shit.
She got the little beachfront cornrows done
she
and
just
shit
got
with the little
fresh.
beads and shit. Like,
She looks at me, she turns red because she's embarrassed.
she's like, oh my god.
She takes a lactate because the pina colada, the cream in the pina colada is gonna make her gassy.
She bought a sarong at the resort and shit. So she's like got shit tied all fucked up and shit. Like,
She gives herself a little pep talk like, Sarah, you said you're gonna put yourself out there.
come on.
What
Remember,
happens in Montego Bay stays in Montego Bay.
Remember what Julia Roberts said in Eat, Pray, Love. Okay?
Okay.
Just go for it.
Just wink at him.
Just wink. Do it. Just do it.
Winks
do
at me. Pull my dick out, put it on the bar. Oh, you thought it was a nice movie? Nah. Now we bring it back Showtime Nasty Flicks.
That's right.
That's our new segment, Showtime Nasty Flicks.
Porn addiction boys in the building.
It's the oh yeah, that's another thing we do. They say we talk about porn too much. So
what?
So and the fuck what?
No kink shaming.
No kink shaming. We like porn.
You know what I'm saying?
How come you could be like you could be a fanatic of stamps and that's cool.
That's cool.
But how no one could be like, yo, I collect porn.
You feel me?
I'm a porn aficionado. Why can't I get a master's degree in porn?
What's more weird? A dude collecting adult entertainment that he enjoys, or that fucking weird creep on the beach with a metal detector trying to find the fucking coin from Bolivia from 1937?
You can find a quarter and bite it. What are you doing?
What's wrong with you,
What's
B?
wrong with you, Grandpa?
Come on. You're weirder than us.
Yeah. Just because we can identify porn video clips from the first 5-second sound effects. I mean, you know,
Listen.
most people could do that, I imagine.
Nigga, if that Beat Shazam show turns into like Pinot show, nigga, we bodying that.
Nigga, we could identify porn stars by moles, tattoos, stretch marks. I'm like, you want a pre or post pregnancy Capri Styles? Huh? That was my nasty niggas like Capri Styles.
I'm like, yo, that's Cherokee D-ass because she has the D-ass on her butt cheeks. Yeah, got it. Survey says.
They need Jeopardy for porn.
Facts.
Yeah.
Yo, shout out to Alex Trebek though, because
this pornographic actress butthole fell out while she was doing anal.
Ava Devine.
You'd have to phrase it like a question.
Oh, who is Ava Devine? Yeah.
They have Teen Jeopardy and College Jeopardy. Nasty
nigga Jeopardy.
How much do you wager? This is a picture of boobs.
It's just the two of us and Fonte.
The Fonte, you nasty nigga. Alex Trebek is like, well, apparently everyone bet 69.
Guys, at what point is this going to get old for you?
Never.
Okay. I accept it. Fine. Go right ahead.
I'd like a big soggy wet butt for 600, Alex.
That's the daily double.
I'd like to bet 69.
And
everyone's cracking up again. He's like,
of course.
Yeah.
Let me guess. You would like to bet 69. Yeah, of course. The question is, who are the adult film actresses in the Two Girls, One Cup viral video? Go.
Brenda Santiago and who is Brenda Santiago and Fernanda Rozilia?
That is correct. Wow. Oh, Desus takes the board.
Everyone's like, how the
takes a strong lead.
Like, how the fuck did he even?
And he keeps.
They had names.
I don't know. He has $69 million.
They don't like. They're looking at all three of us have like $60,000. They're like, this isn't even possible. This is not possible.
They count the questions on the board and shit. Like, wait, it's 200, 300 foot. How?
And porn potables for 4,000, Alex. They're like, there's no for it. You know what? Can I do double or nothing? Can I just name some of my favorite porn?
He's like, I mean, I guess in the green room.
Over here, let's get to know our guests. Over here, we have the kid Mero. He's from East Tremont.
Hey,
cut
guys.
your face off.
Hey.
Says here your hobbies include getting high as the devil's dick.
Yes, that's correct.
Going on Instagram Live and chopping motherfuckers in the face for getting disrespectful.
That's
Tell us about that last one.
Yeah. Well, one time I was standing for the bodega, and a gentleman approached me, and he said, "Yo, your mom is a hoe," and I took offense to that remark, and I used a Stanley standard 1.5-inch box cutter, and I locked it so it would remain steady, and then I chopped that motherfucker in the grill.
Well, hopefully you don't chop me.
No,
all right, up next. Well, this should be mad boring. They'd be like, it says here, for fun, you like to work on math equations? He's like, I mean, they turn all red. They're like, I mean, I just do a lot of pre-cal and calculus, but sometimes I get a little wild after a little Merlot and I toy with free radicals. The crowd's like, yo, this shit is boring. What's the Bodega Boys?
Fuck out of here.
We ain't coming for this shit.
This shit's whack,
All
nigga.
these niggas is wild
Yo,
nerds.
fuck out of here.
Yo,
these niggas are hurt.
I thought Jeopardy was a candy.
Shout out to my mom who to this day calls the shit Yopardy. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to you, mom. You know
Yopardy.
Yopardy.
I got the Yoppity.
I'm still calling
And that makes no
shit.
sense in New York because they play Jeopardy and then Wheel of Fortune. Wheel of Fortune's for idiots. Let's keep it funky.
Let's keep it super
Let's
funky.
keep it. You live in a, like, no shaming, but if you in a trailer park, you watching Wheel of Fortune while stressed. Like,
man.
person, 3, civil rights person, 3 words, MLK.
Damn. Can I buy a vowel?
Angela Davis. They're like, it's like
how'd you even know
spin? And the shit make no sense to be like, yo, you hit here, you're bankrupt. You hit here, you get $10 million. You hit here, your kid goes to Cooney.
Like, what?
Like, what's the rising scale on
And the
this?
half a car shit always fucked me up. Like,
Yeah.
so what happens? If like
Ooh, you spun in one half a car. You gotta spin again and get the other half.
the other half, like, so
Why?
not what, nigga?
What's the point? So basically, I haven't won yet.
yeah, I haven't won shit.
I haven't won shit.
I have a Metro car with no money on it.
Okay. If I'm like, I still got the half a car. Nigga, give me half the car.
I'll take that shit.
Pat Sage, I'll fuck you up. Pat, nigga, say I won't smack Vanna.
Yo, shout out to Vanna Off-White. You know what I'm saying?
That's
'Cause-
Virgil somewhere like, brilliant.
Brilliant. I'm doing it. I think he's gonna do her wardrobe for the next season. It's just gonna say Vanna in quotes.
Also, did you know that Pat Sajak is a wild dickhead asshole on Twitter now?
Oh, what?
Yeah, he's a wild MAGA and all that shit.
Oh shit! Damn! Don't ever meet your heroes. I mean, not that the nigga was ever my hero. He's always like,
Wait,
just
was
so
he?
weird.
Is he? Make sure I'm getting it right.
Is it him or is it Alex Trebek? No, no,
It's not Alex Trebek. Alex Trebek
Dang, got
is
cancer.
sick.
Yeah. Damn, my nigga Alex. Yo, get well soon, B.
Okay, I'm sorry, Pat Sajak. I would like to.
Retract
you
that
seem to
statement?
be an ally. I'm sorry. Yeah, his timeline's very.
Good.
It's very wholesome.
Okay.
It's not him. It's the guy from Love Connection, whatever. Chuck Woolery.
Oh, Chuck Woolery.
Chuck Woolery's a wild dickhead.
He's an asshole.
He's an asshole.
Straight up. Be like, yo, straight up. He's an ill dickhead. Didn't he do the other shit? Didn't he do Blind Date too? Nah, that was the other dude. But that other, damn, bruh. How do you get those gigs? Like, what do you have to just have to be like the mad, like,
You know what? I'm
default
realizing
white guy?
You just have to have availability.
True.
Because think about it, if you're like popping, you're not available every day to host a fucking TV show. So you either do it in between projects or once you do it as like a vanity play after you made mad money.
Yeah.
So then you're good. And that's when you live in like Burbank. You take your Tesla to the fucking CBS soundstage and shit. Like, we can't do that shit now.
Who does? Shout out to Drew Carey. Does Drew Carey still do Prices Right? Or
No,
is
I
it Wayne
think
Brady
it's
now?
Wayne Brady.
Ooh, you came up.
Mm-hmm.
He's
But Wayne Brady can't go wrong.
Yeah,
Wayne Brady,
he
we
can't
know.
lose.
Wait, no, Drew Carey still got The Price is Right. Oh shit.
Oh shit.
All right.
That was just a fucking.
So what's Wayne Brady has? Wayne
Whose line is it
Brady-
anyway? Remember that?
Let's
shit?
make a deal.
Let's make a deal.
Let's
there you
make
go.
a deal.
Yeah.
So either you're a stay-at-home mother or father, or you're unemployed in order to watch these shows because they come on mad early in the morning.
Dumb early.
They come on after the shows that people watch when they're getting ready to leave the
Yup.
house, and then comes out entertainment for y'all niggas staying in. Okay.
All those morning shows sign off with like, all right, everybody have a great day at work. All you weed smoking niggas get ready for The Price is Right and Maury.
Sharice is testing this guy for the 3rd time to find out who her baby father is.
And you came back in to get your keys and shit. Like, who would watch it? Oh shit.
Oh shit. Hold
Damn,
on.
that might be it. Nigga sit down shit. Like, let me just watch like 10
shit,
minutes.
man.
That can't be her baby.
I mean, I don't know. The nigga wearing
nose is like-
damn, the nigga wearing a Fat Farm shirt. You know,
They're
you're not
like,
doing good.
We'll be back with results at the end of this show. You're like, come on, man.
I gotta get the Best Buy in 20 minutes.
Spent all day at work Googling like Shaniqua, baby, Maury.
You just get mad gifts and niggas dancing and shit. Like, yo, like, damn it. I want the results.
'Cause you can never find the syndicated shit. Because you go online, they be like, yo, it's syndication. They could have been showing anything, dog. You're like, can they even get like a... They're like, nah.
Nah,
The
nigga.
display is just like, yo, Judge Judy yells at niggas.
That's it. Hold
what it
that.
is.
Hold that.
That's
After
all
this
it
is
is.
Judge Joe Brown, then Judge Mathis,
The Judge Maybelline.
then Judge
the
Maybelline.
A lot of judges.
Man, judges.
It's funny because if you're at home in the daytime, the last person you want to see is the judge.
Facts.
You know what I mean? You're probably living a life where you're trying to avoid judges.
Exactly.
But you know
what I'm saying?
They got the judge line.
Hold
Judges,
on,
and then they... Are soap operas still popping like that?
I feel like they are.
Yeah.
I feel like they're just a thing at this point. That's like never gonna go away.
Was there a soap opera that like your grandma or your mother fucked with?
They watched. They was on some. They didn't speak English. They was watching novellas at night type shit. But the shorty who had the cops at the crib all the time was watching fucking All My Children and General Hospital and all that shit like clockwork, bro. Like I could tell you some plot lines from that shit just from hearing it through the floor. Cause she used to blast that shit, B, while she was making bacalaitos.
Wow. I mean, that's what people. What was this telling the voice? It was like Jane the Virgin. Ugly Betty was the.
They had
based on that?
It started. It was based on that. Then they had the shit with Eric Estrada when my man.
Oh, wow.
When he had the Waffle Gazy Spanish flow, like he could barely speak Spanish when he was on the novella. Like yo no puedo estar contigo, yo tengo una novia. I'm like, yo, nigga, come on.
I remember there was one called Marisol.
Yeah,
I remember that one.
you know
And,
what I'm saying? Marimar and shit.
DEO. I remember this girl used to watch that, and I was like, yo, oh, you Spanish for real,
You
man.
for real, like
real.
you got plastic on the couches.
You got the beads hanging out and shit. Oh, wow.
Yo, it was the crazy shit was like, yo, if I ever dared to even come in the living room and try to like change the channel, like, nigga, what? Oh, you want to see the Yankees score? You want to see the score of the Yankees game? Stupid! You wait until 11 o'clock at night, nigga, because the novellas is not going off.
Just shout out to just the Yes Network tweeting about us.
Oh,
Okay, niggas that came up.
Oh,
Wow.
shit, okay.
You're somewhere Babe Ruth is mad as fuck, but not really because it's Dominican. He was like, how dare they? Que lo que.
How dare they blow my cover?
We have to go to, when we play in CC Sabatia's celebrity baseball charity game, tickets
That's right.
still available.
May 16th, y'all.
We have to go to Monument Park and put a platinum on top of.
Put a Dominican flag on the side.
Oh, yes. Yes. Also, I have a theory that George Steinbrenner was secretly Jamaican.
Facts.
He was a white Jamaican.
Yo, he was.
Think about it. He wanted excellence
Yep.
at all costs.
At all costs, you know what I'm saying?
He hired someone to dig up dirt on
Yep.
Reggie Jackson. Come on, that's so Jamaican.
That's pettiness.
The high prices and
Yup.
shit.
You know what I'm saying?
He would talk about how he bought the Yankees from CBS at a good price. What did my parents do? They always talk about good prices.
Yo, I got a great price on this thing.
Brag about shit they bought in the 80s. He bragged about shit he bought in the 80s.
Feel me?
Okay, he died way too soon. If that's not West Indian.
From sodium
Fuck with
issues.
Trump. You know what it is.
Yeah.
As Victor would say, you know the vibes.
It's whoopty. Yeah, shout out to fucking. Damn, Alex Trebek really sick. Damn.
But you know what?
Who's gonna take over for Jeopardy? Like, can you even who? Like,
I wouldn't want. It's like kind of like taking over for the Daily Show.
Yeah,
because it worked with Trevor Noah because he was just so out of left field, and he's his own person, like his background and stuff. But I don't know how they could do it for Jeopardy. They'd have to get like us.
Yeah, that was it. That's that. There you go.
There you go.
Pow. You know what I'm saying? CBS Family. I hope.
It's not.
Is that
but how much do you think Alex Trebek gets per episode?
At this point, bro, like it's got to be like per episode or per season?
Per year, annually.
Annually? Just off the show, I want to say probably like 80 mil?
Annually?
Yeah.
No. Nobody gets $80 million a year annually for a show, unless you're like Game of Thrones. And that's the whole Game of Thrones.
Up until this point, he's made $80 million. No, but that shit's been on the air for mad long.
Yeah, but it's been on the air, but it's annual. It's an annual contract.
My son is on his rookie deal still.
Nah, he gets 10 a year.
Shit.
I'm not mad at that.
Oh shit, nigga, I'm gonna turn it to Jadakiss real quick. Like, oh, you doing good, daddy?
Okay,
10 million.
And
Yeah.
that's not even. He also has 6 daytime Emmys.
Oh shit.
So he probably go over to negotiation like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, nigga. What's
Emmys
up?
in my bank account, nigga. In my bank account.
All right. What do you think he's worth?
Probably like 100 million. He seems like no? Lower?
Lower.
Higher. 80 million?
Lower.
For real? Damn. How you make $10 million? Worth less than 80.
I mean, he wasn't making 10 mil from like the first episode.
40 million?
50.
50? Oh, okay.
You can't sneeze your nose at 50 mil.
Nah,
Are we at that point?
I mean,
someone in a text message that I'm not going to say their name had the audacity to say to me, something is $1,000. I know that's not a lot to you. And I was like,
excuse me?
I was like, I don't know where you live. Excuse you.
Yo, $1,000 ain't a lot to me?
I was like, is that how I come off? Because that is, let me tell you, $1,000 is a lot of money.
Listen, just because you see the drip, bro, the drip comes with sweat drops when I purchase. You know what I'm saying? When I swipe, you know what I'm saying?
Nigga said $1,000. That's not a lot to you. Like, I'm aghast. You know what it is? I think I use $1,000 words. I sound rich.
That's what it is. That's what it is.
I'm just rich in spirit and in the blood of Christ.
That's right.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Because we're wholesome Christian men.
Wholesome.
You know what I'm saying?
Wholesome Christian men.
Love thy neighbor. You know what I'm saying?
Love
that's the
neighbor.
golden rule.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I mean? We eat yogurt now and shit. We eat probiotics. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Keeping our guts right.
I'm using gluten-free entourages now. You know
I
what I'm
respect
saying?
that.
Getting
Yeah,
right.
yeah. I see you doing. I see you doing your thing. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I mean? I donated all my sneaker collection to underprivileged kids.
That wear size 10.5.
Who also happen to look like me.
At Army.
I was looking at my shoes. I was like, damn, I should give these away. And my brain was like, you thought, nigga.
Fuck out of
It was
here.
like, you're going to be sick August 13th when you want to go somewhere and you don't have sneakers that exactly match your shirt. I was like, yeah,
that's
you're
what
right.
I was. Look,
yeah, you're right.
Because I remember bringing that shit. Cause when we interviewed 12E on a previous iteration of the thing that we did, he was like, yo, because we thought that he was like a sneakerhead. And he was like, yeah, I'm a sneakerhead, but I don't keep mad sneakers. He's like, I keep it to like 30 pairs, and then the other ones I just give away and shit like that. And I was just like, wow, okay. That's like, sounds like a cool thing to do. And then I went downstairs into like the closet with all the sneakers and shit, and I was just like, fuck no, I ain't doing that shit.
I'm too hard for this shit. He's like, why don't you give shit away? Why don't you give shit away? I mean, I give shit away, but that's like the one thing that gives me pleasure. Like, watch.
Like,
I mean, it will get to the point where it's just like, yes, I should probably give it to him, but right now, today,
I give away the
on
doubles.
This day, on this day, let me make you claro.
Yo, this night, you niggas is not getting none of these Nikes, okay, motherfucker. Yo, nah, because man, it is true, yo. Like, there's certain shit like. You gotta. There's a perfect pair of sneakers for everything. You know what I'm saying? And if you don't have that perfect pair, you wear something that's kind of goes with it.
You don't feel right.
It don't feel right, B. You don't feel right, nigga.
And that's how you know we are still Bronx niggas. Yeah. We said there's a perfect pair of sneakers for everything, and people was like, "You guys should be wearing loafers."
Exactly.
They was like, how many pairs of hard bottoms do you own? I used to have one pair of hard bottoms. God forbid I ever have to wear them to court again.
Fam.
Okay, if you see me at a wedding, a funeral, or in court, I am wearing the same pair of sneakers, and I'm only wearing the same pair of shoes, and I'm only wearing them to court if I have to testify in front of the grand jury. Other than that, you getting Timbs.
Straight up.
Because if you walk into a courtroom wearing a suit and you ain't the lawyer, you looking like food, nigga. I remember like when I caught a very serious charge, and the first day of court, I wore a suit. And niggas on the train was like, yo, you going on a job interview? And I was like, nah, not really. Like, niggas going to jail. But I walk into the court, everyone looked at me. They was like, yo, you my lawyer? I was like, no, nigga, I'm looking for my. They was like, why are you dressed up? Because that's my rookie mistake. They was like, yo, fam, like the judge don't even look at you. And I was like, what?
Yeah.
And the judge was like playing Candy Crush. And he's like, remanded.
Yeah.
30 years. Next.
Fam, that's the wildest shit. Like the judge, like the nigga will just look at papers. Won't even look at you.
Won't even look at you.
And I'd be like, so it says here, you've been charged with possession and the intent to distribute was taken off the docket. What do you do for a living?
I work at Seatown.
Okay. In the deli section?
In the bread section.
Oh, bread section? Okay, remanded.
Never even looked. I'm like, he never looked up.
You're like, why? Why did that make a difference?
The fuck?
Like, is that just like anti-cold cuts? Like, what?
Nothing better than when you in court. And court is just going regular court. Niggas getting remanded, and then there's an interruption because no one knows how to act. Yeah? Like the stenographer looks up, like, and the judge is like, he's like, hey, the court officer comes through, like, hey,
court officer,
hey. We in court, keep it down. I was like, nigga, you don't even got a gun.
Fuck out of here.
Fuck out of here.
Clown ass.
Come out. You know what? put them cuffs down, come outside,
Yeah,
Ice-T.
yeah, what's
there was
good?
a court officer, he looked like Ice-T, he had dreads, and he kept telling niggas you couldn't eat in the court, and you couldn't like be on your phone.
Suck my
If you already
dick.
going to jail, like fuck you, officer.
Fuck outta here.
With all due respect, fuck you, officer.
Yeah.
All due respect, or all disrespect, fuck you.
Suck my dick. How about that?
I remember my man Pat was eating a bacon, egg, and cheese. He was like, you can't eat that out of here. He was like, oh, else what? He was like, what, you gonna put me to nigga? I'm going to jail.
You gonna charge me with breakfast, nigga?
Nigga, fuck you.
Possession of breakfast?
I'll stand right here until you put your phone. We'll stand right there, dickhead. And people in court are wild disrespect for the court officers. That's all. You be like, yo, suck my dick and tell your mother lick my balls, nigga.
Fam, you know how disrespectful niggas are to court officers? If you go to Bronx bookings or whatever and go see the judge, look in. And also, you can do this in Manhattan, y'all. Look for Mero scratching tags in the back of the benches. You know what I'm saying? Because I did those.
I left
and
one
they're there.
last time I did jury duty. It's not even low. That shit definitely says Jesus nice. If you see that in the Bronx courthouse, that was me. That was me. Unless you worked there, that wasn't me.
That wasn't me.
That wasn't me
at all. It was some other nigga. It was a copycat.
That was like also jury duty. Shout out Justin, he's out on jury duty right now. Jury duty is very important. Everyone thinks you should get out of jury duty, but then that's how you get like people wrongly convicted.
Yeah.
And because of gentrification is more important now because you have to go because you have people moving to your neighborhood that might not really understand the people in the community.
Exactly.
And are gonna be like, oh, if 4 black guys on the corner, they were up to something.
Yeah.
Not realizing, that's Travell and them and they get in a rap group together.
That's it. They just what they call the cipher, God.
Them niggas was just practicing rhymes.
Stop, nigga.
Practicing rhymes more like practicing crimes. I call 311.
Yeah, I call 311. Yeah. That's illegal.
Officer, they're congregating in front of my accordion store on 125th Street. Accordions and unicycles. Conveniently located next to Black Ink.
Would you like some cheese?
Nigga in the front on a unicycle going back and forth like, unicycles, get your unicycles
Yay!
here.
Nigga spinning a unicycle.
Get a unicycle.
Hey,
you buy a unicycle now, you get a self-playing piano.
Hey, these are hip hop unicycles.
We'll deliver them to your duplex.
Yeah, they're Basquiat inspired.
Oh, that's what 125th Street's gonna be that soon. Just a bunch of art galleries and niggas selling unicycles.
Telling you, B.
You think that Wingstop's gonna be there for a while? Nope. Also, because they have terrible customer service in Wingstop.
Oh God.
They were like, you know why this thing called Wingstop? Because right now my ass gonna stop you from getting these fucking wings because it's 5 o'clock and I'm off this shift. Nigga take the gloves and throw them in your face.
Niggas pull them shits back and be like, like, oh, damn, nigga got lemon pepper in my eye. Damn, the shit is mad.
I'm telling Rick Ross.
Damn,
I don't need to put up with this.
Oh shit, this shit is delicious.
Oh man.
You start looking your own eyeball and shit.
Shout out to the Chipotle on 125th Street because the guard always shows me, man. He's like, I fuck with y'all niggas shit so hard. Y'all inspiring. I was like, thank you, brother.
Thank you.
Also, I know if this shit gets shot up, you would take a bullet for me. I respect that.
He's like, nah, actually.
Nah, really, though.
Nah, really, my nigga.
Legally, we're not allowed to get shot by niggas.
You feel me? Like,
you know what I'm saying?
Shit, nigga, I see some nigga pull a burnout. I'm the first nigga out the door.
Shit.
Like, if I'm being real with you.
I mean, I got my thing on me, but, I'm not really trying to bust it.
I mean, you know what I mean? Like, Tramel had this shit last week. I don't know what the fuck that nigga did with this shit, so. You know what I mean?
What store do they need on 125th Street? We got a Red Lobster. Yeah. We got Wingstop. We got Whole Foods.
Whole Foods, yeah. Fuck it, bring back Alexander's.
Nigga said Alexander. While we had to bring back Gimbals.
Put a Rickle on 125th, bro.
Oh, wow. These are Rickle. What was it? What was the competitor for Home Depot? But Home Depot blew them out the water and they don't exist anymore.
It was either...
Was it Rickle? It wasn't Rickle, right?
Rickles was it. Because I remember going to Bay Plaza and they had like... That edge of Bay Plaza that's now like Applebee's or whatever.
Home improvement store.
They had that whole shit, nigga, up to like Bagel Cafe, nigga. And they had the fucking... Yo, shout out to Chris Hayes, yo. Relatable content. They had the fucking the X-Men video game that you could play with 4 players.
Oh,
the
that shit was
Simpson
dope.
game that you could play with 4 players, and the Ninja Turtle shit.
That had the 4-player cowboy shit.
Sunset Riders. Yeah.
It's showtime.
You know what I'm saying?
Still out here checking it down.
Oh shit.
Making that work for people. You know what we're bringing back? No more Toys R Us, y'all. Lionel Kitty City.
That's right, y'all.
I got hyped for EB Toys first.
Wow.
EB Toys.
Nah, we never had never had EB toys in the Bronx.
Really?
EB stood for like electronic boutique or some shit. They were like, nah, y'all niggas can't have this.
Yeah,
they're like, y'all don't even got cable.
Oh, y'all want electricity, nigga?
Fuck out of here. They was like, yo, the trains don't even run to your borough. Get out of here.
Enjoy this fucking tainted water, nigga.
If you go back in like the 80s and the 90s, it's just like Bronx residents like, we're a part of New York. We're a part of New York. And Jenkins was like, no, you're not. Get out of here.
Wow.
New York used to treat the Bronx the way Trump treats Puerto Rico. Swear to God.
Yo.
Swear to like
facts.
They be like, yo, shout out to the 4 boroughs.
Yo.
I remember the most disrespectful shit was like Nas was shouting out all the boroughs. He was like, yo, the South Bronx. I was like, what about the North?
What about the entire Bronx?
I was like a Game of Thrones character. I was like, what about the North?
Yo, well, come on.
You forgot about the North.
That's a subtle cut. Look who's catching on. The North is gonna remember.
Listen, I'm sucking on the tea. I'm sucking on the tea of Game of Thrones until I'm out of relevance. Okay, I am on Game of Thrones the way people have us on our show to keep the blood supple. Okay, I'm not gonna sit in my house on Sunday night and not get on these memes. Get on these memes. And be at home like I don't know what this is, but I know this is good content.
You know what I'm saying? The shit that got me, like, cause you know what I'm saying?
To this day,
I haven't watched the episode because I like to binge. I'm a binger. You know what I'm saying? Not with food, also with food.
Binger sounds like a problematic take for like it sounds like a word they were using in Green Book.
Hey, look at this fucking binger over here.
Whoa. A binger in my house?
What are you, fucking half Irish, half black? You fucking binger?
Oh my God, you're gonna have the guys fixing the cable. They're fucking bingers.
Fucking bingers over here.
I mean, I don't see race, but my God, you're gonna have a binger by my daughter?
Come on. Fine.
Whoa. Over my dead body, you bring a half binger in my house.
Hey.
Look at this curly binger hair. Fucking bingers.
Yo, I was watching Sopranos the other day when Mero starts going out with the kid who's half black, half Jewish. I was like, bro, this is gonna be so problematic. I was like, I watched the episode. I was like,
Yeah, Sopranos wasn't woke. They never said they were woke, but man, if you want to see an episode of Sopranos that did not age well, the Columbus Day episode. They beat up Native Americans.
Fam.
How?
Fam, and the shit when the fucking they was like trying to negotiate with like the black construction whatever shit, and so they had the construction site, and then they had the black community organizer dude who was working with Tony, and he pulled up with mad people to protest, and then Tony was just like, you know what you gotta do. So then all the Italian construction worker niggas came out from behind the fucking thing and just started beating on niggas with bats and shit. I was like, yo!
Do you remember, I forgot what season it was, the 2 black guys tried to kill Tony. They tried to assassinate him, and they shot through the side of the Jeep, and he was recovering, and it was like, what happened? He was like, I don't know, Boys the Men tried to kill me. I was like, what kind of fucking show is this?
Yo, facts.
I was like, that's wild racist.
Yo.
But then again, it's Italians, and shout out to my Italian crush in 4th grade, who I went to her house because we lived 3 blocks away in the Bronx. This is key to the story. And I went to her house, and her father was like, whoa, what's the purple Italian?
Moulian.
Moulian?
And all I heard was through the door was like, yeah, that Moulian's not coming into my house. And I was like, oh.
Yo.
I was like, ah. And the next day at school, she was like, you just left. I was like, and how? I was like, I'm not going to let your father run me over his Pontiac.
Yo, this Italian kid invited me over to his crib to play Sega Genesis. I did not have a Sega Genesis. You know what I'm saying? So I was like, yo, I'm with it. Let's go. Same type of situation. I walk over, but there was nobody home. Like his parents was home. That's right. You know what I'm saying? And it was his grandma, but his grandma was half deaf and half blind. You know what I'm saying? But she didn't speak no English. So I'm just like talking to her in Spanish mad fast, and she thinks I'm talking to her in Italian. So she's like, he's a good ragazzo. He's good. I like him. And then the parents met me and they were like, nah, not this nigga. Don't bring that nigga back in here.
Oh, my God. Shorty from 4th grade, the one whose father called me a Moulian, I went on her Facebook page the other day. Married to some of Yonkers' finest. Her page is nothing but Blue Lives Matter, Stand for the Flag. I was like, you were black in 4th grade.
Yeah, let's keep it real.
I was like, all right, I remember you used to crimp your hair.
Yeah, keep it real, Tony.
Stop it.
Tony and Salvaggio.
You had the wild, problematic tan. If I showed you pictures of Chris Hayes, you'd be like, yo, yeah, I remember her.
I remember her.
This just in. This bitch faking jacks.
Tonight on All In with Chris Hayes, this bitch is faking the funk.
Yeah. But now you stand for the flag.
Yeah, all right, man.
Also, she's kind of on the wild dub now. So I get it.
She went from nigga to MAGA?
yeah. She went from fucking niggas
to fuck niggas.
To fuck niggas civil rights. I was like, yo, you had the wild crush on a Guyanese kid. Like,
Come on,
now you're just like, now you banging with Yonkers PD. That's like, I'm just saying. In Grand Theft Auto, 1 star might be a little too much to call for Yonkers PD. You know what I mean? Let's stick to the parking violations. And now I can never enter Yonkers again.
Yo, Yonkers PD kicked me out of Sue's Rendezvous, and I had no idea how they knew, but they were like, yo, go back to the Bronx.
They know.
Niggas got on the loudspeaker. They're like, go back to the Bronx. And niggas was like, nah, fuck that. I'm staying right here. I'm like, we're not staying in Yonkers.
Nah. And Sue's Rendezvous used to be literally on the wrong side of the tracks.
Exactly.
There's literally a wrong side of the tracks in Yonkers, and you're like, oh wow, this is stereotypical as fuck.
Oh wow, okay.
One side got a Popeyes, the other side is just like nice homes.
Yeah. If you wanna know exactly what that was like, look for this Smack DVD with Jadakiss where he's driving through Yonkers, and people are just running up to the car, and he's in a backseat with the window rolled down, and people see him. They're like, yo, Jada, yo, what up, nigga? Ah!
And then nigga busts off the one shot.
Yeah. He's like, yo, hold up. And he doesn't even, it's not like he has his shit on him. He's like, yo, hold on. I'm going to go in my house and get my gun just to shoot off a couple shots to impress Jadakiss. I was like, and that's Yonkers in a nutshell.
That's Yonkers. That's Yonkers, baby.
Shout out to my guy, Neo.
Brave Street, home of the brave. You know what it is.
Shout out to U.S. crew. You know what I'm saying?
He was out here. They was active. Is that still the term? Y'all niggas active?
Y'all niggas active?
Y'all niggas active?
I feel like cops use that term and shit.
Yeah.
Yo, by the way, they coming out with a documentary about they try to call it like the Bronx 120. I was like, yeah, that's kind of like derivative of
with
the Central
that day
Park
they
raided the Bronx and just snatched up like 150 teenagers.
Shout out to BIC and me, because we almost got caught on that dragnet. We were right on the, and I think they would have been implicated because of me. Because I was taking pictures with them. We took a picture at, they did a picnic. No, not day off. It was the picture we took inside the Bronx River Park.
Oh, okay.
At some picnic.
Yeah.
There's a picture I took with them. And that was before I like scrubbed my Instagram. And before that I had like the wild gun pics and shit. And that day, like, everyone was like, yo, ain't get killed. They was like, yo, they got this guy. I was like, what?
Oh.
They picked up everybody. And I was just like buying Dutchess. I was like, wow, the block's quiet today.
Nigga, I went on my Twitter and I just searched 280. delete.
Because I had that one Instagram video. Niggas was like talking about guns like gross. And they was like, yo, I got this sexy 9mm. And you couldn't even see niggas' face. You just see niggas lighting a blunt. And I was like, yeah. They never going to use this in court. You thought, nigga. It was like, we are. They was
like Your Honor, I had cornrows back then.
I was like, yo, Your Honor, I was broke. Like, niggas wasn't really, you know what I'm saying?
The DA's like scrambling and shit. It's like, oh shit, they're using the straightbacks defense.
Wow.
This is never lost in court.
Your Honor, my braids were fuzzy. Like, throw it out.
Case dismissed.
Case dismissed. He's going through a rough period in his life. Listen, a man with fuzzy braids got nothing to lose.
I'm telling you right now, yo, if a nigga come up on you and he's like, yo, I got fuzzy braids and I want to make your future better, he's lying.
He's trying to move. He's a homosexual. He's trying to move into your house.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay? That nigga want the remote and the thermostat.
That's it.
Okay?
All that nigga wants is exactly that. The remote, the thermostat, the couch, and for there to be some type of liquid in the fridge at all times.
You work too hard for that, ma. You know how sad your line sister's going to be when he pulls up to pick you up from bottomless mimosas and he's driving your fucking Nissan Altima with the seat all the way back.
You know what I'm saying?
Should say AK on the back. Nigga disrespecting.
Damn.
Nigga put like spinning rims on your shit.
Playing mad like Don Q mixtape drop shit like.
Nigga don't even wait for you in the front. He just honked the horn like, yo, I'm here.
Yo, what up?
I'm outside.
Yo, I'm outside, bitch.
I'm outside. I'm not waiting 2 minutes. Treat me like an Uber. Why are you with him?
Yo,
I liked Stanley. What's wrong? Stanley was corny. Fuck him.
No, he was mad goofy. That nigga he had mad pairs of Stacey Adams.
She be mad tight and shit that her friends be like fucking roasting him, but then she be mad lick it up and all torny and shit when she get in from brunch, touching him inside the Altima like, take me home, daddy.
Yo.
Oh shit, is that new Schoolboy Q?
I feel bad because my homegirl introduced me to her man, and the nigga, like, he didn't dap nobody up, like, he didn't shake nobody's hand, and he just seemed like very like aloof and like whatever, like, I ain't fucking with you niggas. And then like later on, it was just like, yo, what's up with homie? Like, why is he like, he's kind of like a dick, like, he's cool, like, if you like him, I like him, you my peoples, but like, he's kind of like a dick, like. And she's like, nah, my nigga, like, he has like eye like detached retinas, like he can't see.
Oh wow!
So I was just like, fuck! I was
You
just
gotta
like,
lead with. You gotta tell people that kind of
come
stuff.
on, like yo, I'm over here like this, and the niggas just look at me in my eyes, like not shaking my hand. I'm like, yo, I'm like, come on, be like,
Oh my god!
what are you doing?
I remember like I was seeing this girl and she was cool. She was like, like, oh, my friend's having the housewarming. Let's go to. I was like, all right, fine. I don't even know your friend, whatever. She's like, no, you met her a couple of times with the bar. And I was like, when you first dating a chick, you meet their friends, but this shit's gonna work out, so you don't really meet their friends. You don't care. You're
It's
not
just like, man, like, oh, hey, what's up? Hey, like, hi, Michelle. Hey,
then after like the third or fourth time, you're like, oh, you really fuck with this girl. Let me learn her name.
Yeah.
And then you start putting two. Oh, that's the one that's boyfriend did. Da 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 da. So I guess it was like the third. I have not paid this girl no attention and shit. And so he's like, yeah, it's this girl. Da da. And I was like, who? She's like, this girl. She be at the bar and shit. Like she met this new guy. And I was like, all right, cool, whatever. So we go, and she's like, yeah, I don't even think it's gonna work because she fucked him raw on the first night and she stayed doing that shit. Like she just be fucking niggas raw like the first time she meet them and shit. And I was like,
wasn't
who?
it? That's Michelle?
Like,
Is that Michelle?
She was like, yo, that bitch be getting in a car and just be giving niggas dome to get to Jersey and shit. Like I could never be her. And I was like, what does she look like? Who?
And when you say you could never be her, like, what do you like?
What do you mean?
Like, you mean like you'll never top?
When we get to the fucking house, I was like, nigga, I'm at the wrong fucking one. Nigga, I was like that black guy in the Yes Jules video. I'm laughing at all. Oh shit! Shout out to housewarmers. Oh my god! Let me get another Moscato.
It worked.
I got like my fucking sleeve is like going down on my shoulder and shit.
Girl,
you so girl, where you get these oven mitts from?
Oh my god!
Man.
Oh my god! You need a show.
I do decorate it too. If you need help, I got you.
I'm here.
Here, take my number.
Take my number down.
Take my number.
Yeah, text me whenever.
She mad frigid.
Yeah, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. She just, you know what it is? She just be jealous.
And then, because the other girl, she thought she told me nasty. Like the girl I was seeing, it was like she thought she told me nasty shit about this girl. I'd get turned off and wouldn't try to holler. I was like, "What are you doing?"
Like, no, you're making this worse.
You're making it worse.
You're making this way worse.
All right. And then she was like, "Yeah, we used to be wild in high school. I mean, I can't tell you how many times we got high and did like threesomes with niggas." And I was like, what?
Why are we going on more like dates with like the three of us?
She was like, no, I've turned my life around from that. I was just like, do that more. I was like, fuck. Fuck you for getting your life together. Like, I could get my balls sucked at the same time.
Yeah.
Of course, it didn't work out. Yeah. And to make it worse, shorty, the wild freak shorty, she ended up marrying that guy. So now I'm mad judgy, and I was like, yo, shorty was out here.
Nigga, she's a freak.
She's a freak hoe.
She's a freak. But then you wonder, it's like, yo, is she being wild freaky? Like, did she continue her freakosity, or
no?
was that a phase?
You know what happened? Because she'd been freaking for so long that she did that thing. Like, I'm turning my life around. I'm gonna end up with a different nigga. Yeah. And she married like the wild straight cornball nigga with a phone holder. Listen,
there's two ways out of that phase. Be like, yo, listen, man.
Oh, problematic. Like,
listen, there's two ways out of that phase.
Hit him with something from Desus versus Mero.
Yeah, there's two ways out of that phase. Be like, you either turn your life around and marry a square nigga,
or you turn your wife around and start getting that choke. You know what I'm saying? We know the hood options.
You know what I'm saying?
Everyone's like, no, there's more No, we're from the Bronx.
We're from the Bronx. After you fuck every nigga on the block, that's it. Like, your dating pool is unclosed. You have to open another avenue.
I suddenly understand that Instagram comment about people not liking us. It just dawned on me. Like, why would anyone listen to this? This is not helping the culture in any form. This is a terrible show. We are the high fructose corn syrup of the culture. And we're not going nowhere. Take that. That's right. All right.
Monsanto music.
Okay. All right. You're tired of it? Well, I'm tired of you bingers anyway. It's been episode 157 of the world's most dangerous podcast. Only podcast, if you play it out loud in your office, you will be fired and possibly sued.
That's right.
But you know what?
I'm saying?
When you're walking out, people will be like, call me, and you be like, yeah. He likes to choke me till my pupils dilate. Yeah. It's your boy Jesus Nice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pocket Stay Fat like Terrio, aka Pocket Stay Fat like who?
Here we go.
Chris that porcelain dick. Slow Banana might know you, bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's with a rondo, Mil Novecento Noventa Cuatro, Mikhail going off the Juve boss, God. MC Lugo Gungo P, putting up for 40 with your shorty. AKA don't talk to me in the Uber pool.
I don't know you.
The original +1 got a +1, so don't make a fuss, son. These Rostin, the Jamaican Jew. I think these Haman touches have too many bones. Jermaine Avocado Toast. Young Pa that goes to Mufasa. Young Chacuni without the coonery. AKA Chili Limon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. Okay.
Hey, papi, estamos viendo.
Hey, this is the first contract you can pay me in Brugal. 3 Phone Jones, Jesus A. Machina, J. Chuckle, Stanley Cups, the Human Dr. Bonner's label. Dilute. Also, I no longer use Dr. Bonner's on my body because that shit cleans the shit out of my shower, and I'm like, these two cannot exist.
No, this doesn't make sense.
Like, I'm gonna come in here looking like Vibes Cartel. I'll keep that shit up. Leonardo the Trapio, Mr. 240p because I like my Pinot blurry. I like it miscalculated. I like it mistagged. I like when I Google the people in the Pinot I watch, a news article comes up and like the person died.
Right.
DJ Woolite, aka listen to Washed FM, and you know what? I haven't been going deep for my niggas lately.
Oh shit!
Okay,
go deep on them.
You know what it is?
Let them have it.
We're playing new shit.
Release the flute stasis.
We've been playing shit, for future.
That's right.
When's the last time we played some hip hop, some real hip hop?
Hip hop.
See if y'all niggas know your hip hop.
Woo. Yeah.
Y'all know about this. Y'all know about this group. They got influenced by De La Soul's a roller skating jam named Saturdays.
Wow.
The YouTube comment says ultra dope. This is the Nonce.
Wow.
With snacks, the drinks, and a Carolyn bust it all in.
Wow.
James, we need to change.
When I was younger, I thought niggas would listen to this and do drive-bys. So, that's what I thought California was. The Curry Gold, Jesus Spicer, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx, Celine Dion, Ray and Nephew's nephew, the Moreno, you cannot contain her. The Human Meme, word to jaw. Just take it back, by the way. I thought Ariana Grande was going to bring out Celine Dion. I was so amped, nigga. I was so West Indian. Woo! Nigga, I had my whole Jamaica suit on. I was like, let's fucking go.
You know what I'm saying? Hype!
Yo, the race of provocateur, Henrik Budkoff, Nelson Mandela, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Booth, and Humans World is melting in your mouth. Mr. Beck's on deck. Ricky Tiki Squad, be Greg Popovich. Morris Richard Chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee, but I got that cucumber, the juice of press. But you know who's that?
No, your boy.
Your boy. Your boy.
He's not.
I'm not ever pressed. Why should I be pressed?
Why? You're not a
You know who
suit dog?
press? Jesus.
That's right.
That's right.
Our Lord and Savior.
Our Lord and Savior. I love you, Christ. Christ, I love you, Jesus Christ.
Yo, Christ.
Jesus Christ, I love you.
Jesus Christ.
I love you, Jesus Christ.
Yo, word to Christ. Yo, that's my nigga right there. Christ.
Jesus Christ, like, hey, could you just ease up on the N-word?
Yo,
I am the art, damn it, the Dundada Canoosh, the Cups of Noodle, the Prince of Peckham, the Fashion Nova, Casanova.
That's right.
William 8 cents, 5 cents, 10 cents, dollar.
Yo.
You know what they say? They say,
forget it.
Forget the small change.
What you want? What you need?
I need a 5 cents, 10 cents, dollar, cents, 5 cents, 10 cents.
Give it to them.
Cents.
Hey.
Move it too slow.
She want to walk up to waist, so raise the tempo.
5 cents, 10 cents, dollar. 5 cents, 10 cents, dollar. What a lot of you don't realize is the actual dance for cent, 5, 10 cent dollar is gyrations you do during sex. Like everyone thinks it's a nice, cute song for barbecues. It's how you beat the pussy up.
Yes, exactly.
You do a thrust forward, then you do a little whine, to the side, and back up and do it again. And that's how a lot of you were made.
That's right.
Okay? Just a father with ashy feet, sandals, and a big foreskin swinging.
Yes, right.
And then you came to this country. Or perhaps that's the Desus Nice origin story. I don't know. The only after my salute is Dipset. Mr. Sager, catch me on square one, top left.
Yo, Mantis Marv.
True Rizzuto, holy cow. Mr. Soft Punch, all I do is what? Count checks and jerk off. I don't even count checks no more. I just jerk off.
You know what I'm saying? Because we point.
I'm at the point now jerking off is weird. Like I might buy a robot for this shit. It's like I've been doing it for my whole life.
I mean, our birthday's coming up.
I've been doing it up for so long. Should we buy each other? You know how niggas like drug dealers buy each other like matching Ferraris
and shit?
Should we buy each other real doors?
Let's do it.
Real doors. I'm searching for a real doll. Somebody I can come in real dolls. Oh, this is nasty real dolls.
You know what I'm saying? Oh,
microwave that choach. I've been searching for a real doll that I can't come in.
I need a vagina that is dishwasher safe.
I'm just imagining like you fucking a real doll and singing this and Heather comes in like,
okay.
Or she could be like, David Uriman, these expensive, these are red, these are dead bottom. Smokey Noah, Andrew Cunanan.
Yeah.
AKA the Junior, Energy God Junior. Come sit down, pound me charger. And not talking about no wireless.
No wireless.
Call me Petco because I got your bitch on freeze. The topic of gossip is Sayas. That's right. Shout out to the 11791. And you know what? I don't even have a peak ticket, but when the conductor comes around, I'm hiding in the bathroom till he leaves.
That's right.
Where I hear that little the little ticket noise. All right, y'all know what it is. You be asleep on the LIRR, you hear the door slam, and they be like, tickets. Get your tickets out.
They just jump
tickets,
back from the
please.
shit like.
Because at first you're like, who's cutting their toenails? And it's like, no, that's the little hole puncher thing.
Yeah.
Also, it's hard to figure out because the ticket, it's not always the same symbol when they punch a ticket. Sometimes there's a star. Sometimes there's a triangle.
Yeah.
Sometimes there's a circle. We're going to crack that code one day. Okay?
Find that.
If you work for the LIRR for the Metro North, holler at us. Call us at 1-800-223-9797 and tell us how to beat that.
Yeah. The same way they leaked the wrestling shit. Like, yo, this motherfucker's going to win on Monday. Leak
Also, I was
codes.
working on a way to cheat the MTA and the LIRR online thing. Because basically you could just make a JPEG that looks like the actual ticket. But the way they get around that now, they ask you to scan to the side, and there's like a QVC code or something they scan. Pretty tricky. Pretty sneaky.
We gonna do. See what y'all do.
Okay. Same way you ban drinking on St. Patrick's Day, and I'll be in there with the Listerine mouthwash. I get around your rules.
That's right.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? I prefer scope, but you know what I'm saying? Right here. You know what I'm saying? Gang shit.
Okay, just me and fucking Karen from Bronxville. She's like, hey, I got Grey Goose in my Poland Spring bottle. I'm like, are you like 16? Okay, I'm gonna go. Your father's definitely a cop.
Bye.
Mr. Charlie. Okay, Grandpa Joe, because when you see Charlie, you see me. Don't touch that golden ticket. Your man's dead eye, Desus. Morning, Sheriff.
Yeah.
Be ashamed. Be ashamed of me, my man, the kid Mero, and Little Nas X went down the Old Town Road.
That's
and
right.
Stole these electronic scooters.
Yeah, ride till you can't ride no more because we lost a battery charge.
Mm-hmm. Stole them from a Chinese takeout store we did.
That's right.
That's right. Don't come past Allerton.
That's right.
It's bad. It's bad news in here.
Catch us at Stagecoach on our hoverboards. That's right.
You don't want those trouble, boy. Listen, that posse on Gun Hill Road. You don't want those trouble, boy. You better turn around while you can.
That's right.
I seen what happened in the last settlers. They went to Baychester Projects. They thought it was so safe. They didn't bring enough supplies.
Yeah, no, they thought they could just get to River Park Towers with 20 pounds of ox meat.
They thought they just ford the river and go to Section 5. I seen men die Section 5.
Man,
Bronx streets.
They're rough out here. Yes, I see some tumbleweed. We're going to smoke it. You got an entourage?
Come over here. I seen some runaway slaves at Bay Plaza. Let's go catch them.
Yo, no. Why'd I go shut him off at the...
Mr. Shopping that street, these are bad breeds like I'm using. Please believe me, the black AJ addict will crack your back like an automatic craftmatic. Listen to the arena and a mess marina with a fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor. AKA the sheet mask killer. No one could be iller. Shout out to Korean sheet mask because they'll sell you something and they'll be like, yo, killer sperm whale, killer whale sperm on a facial mask. You'll be like, yo, this shit is lit.
Yeah,
Just put it on your face. They don't even know what it is.
Yo, shout out to Babyfoot. I'm scared to buy this shit on Amazon, but Babyfoot, if you want me to talk about Babyfoot on the next program, send me some free Babyfoot.
What you talking about? That is baby food. The Black Zach Morris of Port Morris, aka Problematic Bay. Listen.
You know what I'm saying?
It's not a secret family if you kill them. All right,
true.
next up. Up next, we got coming to the stage.
Oh, shit. It's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the motherfucking human direct flap, a.k.a. Donovan McDab. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Curve Gotti. You know what I'm saying? Don't come in my DMs unless you want to get embarrassed with the gift of me. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Triz Khalif. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. skirt want to jump the curb, hit your fucking plug, nigga, and keep it moving. Ask me if I give a fuck. I don't, nigga. A.k.a. I know fucking, baby. I fucking man. I have several feeling in Dominican Republic in production. I fucking man. A.k.a. no need to check the guest list. I am the guest list. I was the fucking hyena that was on Angel Dust and Lion King, nigga. Don't fucking touch me. Yo, Nace, shoot this nigga's earrings off. The fuck out of here. You know what I'm saying?
Sorry, I had Chipotle before I reached my gun. If a nigga fart before he shoots you, that's wild disrespect.
That's wild disrespectful. Like, yo, I'm a... I'm a crop dust you, and I'm a clap you, nigga.
You.
Nigga do a walk by and fart and then shoot you. AKA, shout out to the God, CC, 3K, you know what I'm saying?
3,000,
you know what I'm saying?
3,000, you know what I'm saying? Going into the Hall of Fame as a Yankee.
You know what I mean?
You know what it is? 27 rings.
You know what I mean?
Thanks for 09.
You know what I mean? It's your boy CC Dab Bathia, you know what I'm saying? Him hitting them dabs hard, nigga, till I pass out on live. AKA getting to the shmoney and the smoke is your boy Goldman Smash. You know what I'm saying? AKA, you know what I'm saying? I eat more edibles than the motherfucking niggas that make them shits. If that makes sense, it doesn't.
That should make sense. That should make sense.
You know what I'm saying? Because I'm high, nigga don't care. AKA, I order outrageous seamless orders on the company card and bring it all home to my kids because I'm the motherfucking dad of the year. You know what I'm saying? AKA, Bit Smack Biombo. AKA, Diego Maradona. You know what I'm saying? AKA, Dick in your baby Motobo. You know, come in this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me. You know what I'm saying? AKA, David Trisdale. Pow, nigga, take that for data.
Take that.
You know what I'm saying? Give me Zion or give me death, nigga. You know what I'm saying? You niggas gonna be sick with KD wearing that Knicks jersey next year. Suck my dick. what I'm saying? AKA Bolo Santana, so smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the zip car. Oh, what a shame it was a Benz. So I'm just gonna leave it here and run away. AKA the Dominican Dada, AKA, you know what I'm saying? The Diamond Daddy, AKA swipe my card again. There's definitely money on it. Don't make me embarrass you in front of your fucking manager when they come here and ask for quick selfies and ask me how Heather and the kids is doing. Steven, you like your little PetSmart cashier job, huh? Jeremy, you know what I'm saying? Then put Brownie's fucking dentist sticks in the bag and keep it moving, bro. Stop fucking playing with me, yo.
He's like, oh yeah, I got something for Brownie.
AKA Romeo Santos, tu favorito, mami. I'm so nasty. Yo, I got the new Aventura on deck. Those are like my brothers. Yo, we'll trust your titi on stage, nigga. In front of you, nigga. I don't care. I'm wildin'. I got Chelsea boots, nigga. Fight me. Stupid. You know what I'm saying? AKA Lightnell Dutchy. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes. That you're broke ass and got five. You know what I'm saying? You got five. Get the fuck out of here. You know what I'm saying? AKA Tom Brady. Got my balls more deflated than Bobby Crafts and that Danino nigga with the weird toaster head. You know what I'm saying? Niggas is out here getting table showers. AKA Field Ass Tyson. I want to explore your cosmos, man. Consensually, of course.
Oh,
you know
of
what I'm
course.
saying? AKA Lil Snoozy Vert. First nigga to tap on live. Been doing it before Dex, nigga. And I ain't even fucking off them wild, mad, all type of wild shit these niggas be taking. AKA Frino Messi, MVP of Gelato. AKA Zanio Bennyfield. I ain't gotta get some sticks. You know what I'm saying? AKA Joe Hookah, nigga. I dare you to smoke with me at Mama Sushi. You know what I'm saying? Special appearance by P.O. He's coming back. He's flipping the coals for you niggas. You know what I'm saying? The flagship. AKA been bossing. My hands are gifted. So gifted, in fact, that I was able to recalibrate Showtime's program delivery system to bring you the art you thirst for. Twice a week, holding you down all summer. Where's the love? That's right. Talk to him. Guru, release the flutes on these niggas. You know what I'm saying? AKA, I'll open your motherfucking medicine cabinet. You know who the fuck it is, boy. It's the Zen Man. AKA Rico Sabroso. AKA Lucius lying ass nigga, man. Come on, baby. I did not have sex at Coachella. I don't know why you keep bringing this up, man. Come on now. That's a razor bump, man. That was a hoax now. Come on now. AKA Baby New for a 2 for 5 niggas got garbage on the way. AKA Nino Brown shut the car down. You know what I'm saying? Got all your cousins bagging up and butt Nilsy. You know what I'm saying? AKA live from Big G Deli on Jerome Avenue and Marshall Parkway. Opening doors for patrons. It's the East Tremont Stevie B doing all his greatest hits like I Wanna Be the One Your Titi is Fucking and Dope Take Love. Don't Let Me Lean. You know what I'm saying? That's Mike Leslie's favorite. AKA, you know what I'm saying? Man, we can tell, we have to say this every week, mate. Every week, mate. You know what I'm saying? From across the pond, there's only 2 rock stars left on this motherfucking planet. You know what I'm saying? Aside from Ezra Koenig, it's us, the Bodega Boys, of which I am one. The plantain supernova in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont with a bottle of whiskey in my bud. Don't ask me what the brand is because the bottle got no label on it. AKA, I met Mike Francis. I'm never going to fail. AKA, chilling at the crib off edibles, balancing his portfolio with moderate risk investments. It's Barmello Anthony. For 3. Bang! In 2K. If you see me at Target testing the viscosity of bass mats with my eyes redder than 2 Jolly Ranchers fucking, approach me like a motherfucking earth-sign mammal, God. You know what I'm saying? Because I may react erratically. You feel me?
He
you know
may
what I'm saying?
react.
And you will not like that. You know what I'm saying? AKA, hey kids, it's Benzo the Clown. Hire me for your kids' party. I'll show up after it's over. You're not getting your deposit back because I'm fucking strung the fuck out. Do you have the keys to a car? Cool, take it. I'm stealing it. I'm out of here. Bye. AKA, I sold fake leans to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's high off cod liver oil and Kool-Aid jammers, nigga. I'm not even trying no more. I'm just sending my kids to the store and saying, get incongruent shit. You know what I'm saying? AKA, Hasan, tírame la pista, coño. ¿Qué fue? Llegó el hit de FIFA. Lo más lindo que ha tirado Extremo. You know what I'm saying? Más duro que un mojón de Voltron. Tú sabes que es lo que conmigo, el que mueve el movimiento. Tengo tu jeva en la cola de mi Yamaha. Porque tengo la lengua más larga que una sábana. Yo pito caro, yo pito rico. ¿Y tú, Mamá huevo. Shout out a la casa, Showtime, shout out Cash Out. Y como siempre, shout out Los Smith. Shout out, si usted no tiene cuarto, coño, quédate tu maldita casa y déjate dando complaint en Twitter, mamá huevo. Coño, lámete los granos si tú tienes hambre, mamá huevo. You know what I'm saying? Shout out DJ Hasan Insane, coño, que pone la nota. Shout out Basi, shout out Jubidi, shout out Dímelo, shout out Burquete, el Capitán. You know what I'm saying? Shout out Jaycee. Y shout out mi presidente Pío, la secretaria de Defensa. El sargento Mero está activo con el cañón suave. Avísame, maestro. Me quité, ya.
Sí.
You know what I'm saying? I appreciate that.
Episode 157.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to in Virginia they just had shout out to Pharrell. He just had his festival, Something in the Water.
Something in the Water.
She was fire.
You know what I'm saying?
Because the schedule network couldn't come out there, but he was nice enough to. He's lending us a new song that we're releasing here. It's a new instrumental. It's Jay-Z and Pharrell.
You know what I'm saying?
That's right. Bodega Boys.
Yeah. Y'all call it for real, because we got another one for real. That's right. Baby. Yeah. Yo, sing about some shit there, my nigga. That's right. I don't want to live without my... Yeah. Yo, I'm recording right now. One take, Hove. I'm on the toilet reading AARP. That's right.
No Hove.
Yo, I'm getting them SSI checks and them title checks, nigga. What's up? That's right. You sing it. Come on, baby. I don't wanna hit him. That's right. I'm too big for this. What could you really tell me? I had beef with Nas when I was 59. You know what I'm saying? I'm piping Beyonce. I'm 112. That's right. You yo, Prince was my younger brother. You know what I'm saying? That's right. You know what I mean? In a top class. It's over to God. They call me God because I was around when Jesus was. You feel me? That's right.
We out.